Yo, what's going on, everyone? How are we doing? Oh man, I gotta go through so many bot entries here. Good evening, Spence, Maritimes, Monty. Sorry if I miss you on this. The names are hard to find. J-Pong, Johan, Mason, Shernzy. As you can see, yes, tonight we are giving away a 150K Take Profit Trader account. We're doing it a little bit different this evening. It's going to be far more interactive. Make sure that you guys type in what is the message, exclamation point marbles, in order to enter. Hopefully this is going to eliminate the bots. So we will see what happens here. Salt Farm Kids, if you don't see the bot confirm your entry, just try typing it again. So yeah, guys, I'm not sure what to expect out of the market tonight, so we might just be chilling. Obviously, Nasdaq had quite the sell-off today. I made my money pretty early this morning. I ended up walking away with 4.6K today. So pretty good on the short side. That in combination with what I made on stream last night, I've had a brilliant 24 hours. So I'm in no rush to get into anything. I've made my money for the week, made my quota for the week. And really, I don't have to trade the rest of the week, I'll be honest with you, if I don't want to, unless something really sets up. So it's been one of those weeks for me. What's up, Trader 007? What's up, Anthony? How are you? How's everybody doing? I need your help to find them tonight. Yeah, I think you guys will really like. Fingers crossed. This is the first time that we're doing it, so there might be some issues. So just bear with us when it does happen, when we do the giveaway. But I think it's gonna be fun, and it'll be something cool. So yeah, hang on, guys. Give me 1 sec. Sorry, y'all. It is snowing here again right now. So, yeah. But welcome everybody. How we doing? How are you guys trading this evening? Are you trading this evening? Is the question. What's up, Cam Bam? How are you? What's up, Slylu? Diana? Anatox, you're trading HG and GC. You're trading some gold. What's gold doing right now? Gold is kind of heading up towards that 5K level. Never suffer. You're all good. Nice. Anthony, 50 ticks. Nice. Lost a little today, Salt Farm Kids. Salt Farm Kids. Yeah, there's no way for me to look tonight. I'm completely out of control here as far as entries. I can't see on my end if you're entered or not. Inhale, exhale. Yeah, I'm in the U.S. I'm in the U.S. All right, so those of you that are in the shorts feed, do me a favor and click on the other live stream on my YouTube channel, the one that does not have the word mobile in the title, because if you're viewing from the vertical format stream, for some reason this bot is not recognizing that you are entering in to the competition. So pop on over to the other live stream that's going on right now on my YouTube channel, the horizontal format, and type in ! marbles. It's a better viewing experience over there anyway. What's up, Gen X? How are ya? What's up, Jay Styles Digital? How we doing? Yeah, so anybody that's on the shorts feed tonight, definitely click over on the horizontal stream and enter there. Yeah, what's good, Digital? I'm doing great. I am doing great. Fairly easy trading day today. What's up, Savvy? How are you? In Q tonight, it's looking like we could just have a night of kind of consolidation, slow type price movement. It might be one of those streams where I don't catch a trade. We've had good Asia sessions the last couple nights. Usually there's a breathing period in the markets after we have a lot of volatility. So unless I see something that really pops out to me, we're sitting right on point of control as well from yesterday. It looks like on the DOM we got orders on either side. It looks like they might be anticipating a move back up to 500. What's up, Lee? How are you? Let's see. The YM is kind of doing the same thing, not really moving a whole lot. This is an hour chart on YM. Gold is ripping. Gold is pumping. I would watch this point of control in this high volume shelf up here. That's a pretty long ways away. So it looks like if we got to pull back into this volume, I would consider a long on gold. So a move back into point of control, I would consider an entry, but it looks like it's off and running. Yeah, Denny. I mean, yeah, on NQ, you're just consolidating. I mean, it makes sense to do this, right? You've had some big moves recently, a lot of them. It would make sense. Even a move back up into 500 and a little above would make a lot of sense. You know, if you go out to like a daily chart and look at where we're at, we kind of just held the prior week low there and have bounced it. So they're trying to keep it inside the range. So maybe a move up into 475-ish would make a lot of sense. All the planet was shorting today. Oh, Lee, you're fine. Lee, you're fine. You can ask away. If I know the answers, I'll answer them. If I don't know, I won't lie to you and make up something. I'll just tell you I don't know. So yeah, I mean, when you're looking at a daily chart, right, yeah, the move was aggressive today, failed 26K, big drop, but this is all it's been for the last, I mean, all the way back to November, really. You've had brief looks outside the range to the downside and to the top side. So, I mean, this is difficult trading, guys. It's difficult. What's up, Pedro? What's up, Bash? What's up, Pete? You wish you shorted today. It was a pretty easy short. Like this morning, you know, I kind of wanted to see the pullback first before I made any decision. So I was playing this 850 level. And once we broke down and got that retest and the hold below, that's when I got my short. And then I played this long back up. It was 2 quick scalps for me today. And I was done in, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes. Really quickly. Was not trading for very long today. All indicators pointing down, straight down. Bash, gold's well, it's on a tear to the north side. It's back above 5K. You're looking at value area high from the prior month, so from January. You're sitting at value area high right now. At least I think, yeah, that's value area high. Oh no, that's, wait, what value area is that? Okay, so that's got to be the current week's value area high that you're at right now. I'd imagine gold probably makes a push back up into this volume. Up towards 5,080. What's up, Just Ain't Right? How are you? Yeah, Tenor. Tenor, I took this long from here. From 750. Or 7, I think my entry was like 760 or something like that. So I wrote it down, rode the move back up. I think I took profits at like 790 or like 790, somewhere around there. Can't remember exactly. It happened really fast. It happened extremely fast. Oh, guys, I'm excited for the new giveaway feature. I'm excited for the new giveaway feature. I think you guys will like it too. I think you'll like it too. It's something different to the trading space, that's for sure. You know, you see everybody doing those horse races and duck races, and in Pine Tree Trader's case, the moose race. This is something entirely different. Different graphics. What's up, Running on Empty? Yeah, Anthony, I think you guys will enjoy it. I think you'll enjoy it. How does it work, Phoenix? Basically, you're in a marbles race. You're in a marbles race. You each will have a marble. They will be racing, and we'll come up with commands that will make your marble go faster, even though it really won't make your marble go faster, but it'll be more fun that way if you spam the chat. All I see is the bot. That's all I see is the bot on the shorts feed. All right, we got a little over 100 people in here tonight. Guys, we are those of you that are just tuning in, we are giving away a 150K Take Profit Trader account this evening. Exclamation point marbles will enter you into the race, and we'll do the race towards the end of the stream. I'm not sure exactly what time just yet, but it'll be towards the end of the stream that we do it. What's up, Adam? How are you? Ah, yes. The Nasdaq, everything is right in the world again, guys. The Nasdaq is not moving when I'm on stream, so... Yeah, Ricky, I'd imagine a lot of the props are going to start cutting the position size allowed on the metals. There's too much. Like, especially if you're going a lot of contracts and you're right, the props can't withstand that kind of profit taking. They just can't. They can't pay out 100 people $2 million a day. You know, they can't do that. So they have to put in restrictions. You know, even brokers, even like individual brokers are putting in way higher margins. Way higher margins. So for people like you and I, if we want to continue to trade, that's a good thing, right? I mean, unless you're one of those people that's making millions on the metals currently. Yeah, exactly, Ricky. On 5 micros, you made 10K. Exactly. Now think about the like big influencers that are throwing on 10 minis, you know? Walking away with $1 million days all over the place. What's up, Armando? Where can you trade micros? Inhale, exhale. All of the props have micros. So if you trade with any of the props, like you can trade a micro with any of the props, with any personal broker. Like this chart right here would be a micro position, ticker symbol MNQ. Any trade on gold would be a micro position, ticker symbol MGC. Yeah, no doubt. But Apposito, with the props though, all that's at risk is basically your cost of entry, right? On the trader's end. But on the prop firm's end, that's a lot of risk. Denny, not yet. Not yet. I'm not yet. You just traded value area high up here from yesterday, and you're kind of holding below it. I would like to see a pullback. I'll be honest with you. I would like to see a pullback before I would consider getting long. I don't want to chase after this move, right? I don't want to chase that. Who knows? It could travel all the way back up into this high volume area up here at 5,080. Yeah, Denny, Asia opens here in about 35 minutes or so. A little over half an hour. Yeah, JB, come on over to the horizontal stream. Yeah, the shorts feed, unfortunately, the bot is not recognizing the entries over there. So if anybody's viewing from the vertical format, the shorts feed, click on that other live stream on my channel, the one that doesn't have the word mobile in the title. What's up, Pactoon? How are you? Yeah, Kelly. Tonight's probably on NQ tonight. You're probably going to see a lot of sideways action till London. I would imagine. We're in that time where the market's probably going to take a little bit of a breath, gather itself a little bit. Asia opens at 7 Eastern. Are you sure? Yeah, that's what I thought. I thought it was 8 Eastern. Guitar, you were thinking about trading. What's silver doing? Silver. Oh, let me get off a day chart here. Yeah, silver looks. I don't know. It looks sideways, honestly. It looks like you're in a little bit of a range now between 82 and 85 and 85.5, 85.6. Dano, you move the clocks back? Asia has no daylight savings time. Yeah, they've been talking about doing that here in the States as well. Getting rid of daylight savings. It never made much sense to me anyway, to be perfectly honest. Limited. Do I know if Bitcoin going to go up more or pull down more? I don't know that for sure. You want overall? I think Bitcoin's going to drop further. But yeah, I don't know. I would probably watch. I mean, where's Bitcoin at right now? I'd probably watch 65K, somewhere around there. I think last time I looked at a higher time frame chart on Bitcoin, it was that seemed like a good area where it could bounce. The Nikkei opens at 7 p.m. until we move the clocks forward again. Diana, neither. I don't trade Bitcoin. I don't trade Bitcoin. Yeah, limited. Honestly, Bitcoin's been way, way overinflated for a while. Think about all those people buying at 120. All those people buying at 120K. I mean, they have lost and lost and lost. Raul, you watched a TikTok about a guy saying that streamers take advantage of BTC falls to get views. I mean, maybe. A lot of people like trading crypto. There are a lot of crypto traders out there. For sure. What's up, MP? How are ya? Yeah, there's definitely a lot of people who love trading crypto. Phoenix 6.8K subs soon. Really? How many subs we got? Oh yeah, I mean we're pretty close. We're pretty close. We're 4 subscribers away from 6.8K. We'll probably hit that tonight. My goodness, the Nasdaq is dead, guys. Of course, I'm streaming and the Nasdaq is dead. Phoenix give you 4 minutes. No, we don't. I don't need more. I don't need more alternate Phoenix accounts. And going back after the giveaway. Yeah, Wild Deuces. So you should get a confirmation. You should get a confirmation that you've entered. What's up, Into the Futures? How are you? Those of you that are viewing on the vertical stream, like I said, feel free to click on that other live stream on my channel. It's the one that does not have the word mobile in the title. The bot is not recognizing entries from the shorts feed tonight for some reason because we're trying a different giveaway feature. So you'll have to enter on the horizontal stream. It's a better viewing experience anyway. That's where most people are hanging out. So click on that other live stream on my channel, the one that doesn't have the word mobile in the title, and type in !marbles over there. And that'll enter you into the drawing for the 150K Take Profit Trader account giveaway that we'll do it at the end of the stream. What's up, Chris? Guitar guy, yeah, honestly, the more you rotate out to the higher time frames, I think trading does become a lot less stressful. Obviously, I execute on the 5-minute, but all my analysis is done on the 15-minute and up. So trading the 15-minute would make a lot of sense. It slows things down quite a bit. So I totally get that. I totally understand trading 15 minutes and above. What? You mean guys don't use the 15-second? I mean, guys use the 15-second chart. There are plenty of guys, right? Greatest nothing. I mean, I see lots of people using. A lot of people trade the 1 minute. A lot of people trade the 30-second. Some people trade 10-second charts, 5-second charts. That's just way too much noise for me. Wild Deuces, it's not picking you for it? Wait, really? Hey, Amounty. Thanks for the membership purchase, brother. Appreciate you. I'm not sure if you had it already or not. If you didn't have it yet, make sure you link your YouTube account to your Discord profile. Everyone wants that account. Yeah, well, yeah, I mean, what's the dollar value on that? Like $360, $350 or something like that? Those accounts are? So I fully understand that. That's a good size account. Especially if you can get past the buffer on that thing, man, you're set up for daily payouts for a while. So that's a high value account for sure. That's an account you take seriously. All right, we got almost 140 people in the stream. Thanks for hanging out with me tonight, guys. Like I said, I'm kind of anticipating the market to kind of continue doing this. We're nowhere near an area of interest for me to execute. I would need price to come down here or break these highs up here. So if we just continue to trade sideways, it might be a night of no trades for me. Gold's kind of moving around quite a bit, but we're right around that 5K psych level, so gold could start to chop as well. It'll just be a little more volatile than NQ chop would be, I think. But what do I know? I don't trade gold. So I could be wrong. Maybe gold just rocket ships, right? Maybe gold just rockets up to this volume up here. Who knows? Yeah, trading for keeps. Yeah, that account is worth it for sure. The 150K take profit traders accounts, especially if you get past that buffer, you are set up for a while. You are set up for a while. So they are highly valuable accounts. Yeah, Apposado, yeah, like at the hour, I think definitely. A lot of times right at the hour change, you see that volatility come in on the metals lately. Adam, I'm not sure. I don't think we have any bots in the stream yet. We're approaching 150 people in the stream right now, so we should be good. And they're only going to have a limited amount of time to claim the prize anyway. So you'll see what will happen. Like, it'll show you where you placed in the race. So obviously the winner will get the first chance, and we'll give them I don't know, because of the delay, I'll give them a minute to respond. And if they don't respond, we'll go to whoever finished second, right? Yeah, Adam, 100%. Well, I can't see anything on my end. Just to give you guys a heads up, Mason is the one actually coordinating everything tonight. So I don't see anything on my end tonight. There's no way for me to confirm anything. I see nothing. I won't see anything until I pull it over on stream. What's up, Kyle? How are you? It's just the bot. It is just the streamer bot that's... Yeah, Limitless, you can enter this one. You can enter this one. Oh, Wild Deuces, you're entered now. You can enter this one. Just type !marbles in the chat. That'll enter you into the drawing. Those of you that are on the shorts feed, unfortunately, the bot is not recognizing any commands entered on that stream. So join the horizontal stream instead of the vertical stream if you're on the shorts feed. And here's what we're going to do, guys. We're going to do it at a random time. I'm not going to announce when we're going to do it, but we're going to do it at a completely random time. So if people have left, and they aren't there, they won't be there to claim their prize if they win. So we will try to eliminate any kind of bots or anybody that's just coming in, typing, you know, entering and leaving. We'll try to limit that. And currently Mason's saying we have 153 people here right now. There's 150 entries. So we're right on numbers. Remove NIMS. NIMS hasn't shown up yet. But yeah, we'll keep everything above board. Like, I obviously don't want people who aren't here winning the account. I'd rather somebody that's here, you know, the people that are here every night and loyal supporters be the ones who are winning the account. So we'll do it above board. Give you guys the best opportunity to win. I think it's gonna be funny. I think it's gonna be funny. I think it's gonna be a good giveaway. It's something that's different. Fully, as soon as you secure some payouts, you're gonna look at Quant Tower. Yeah, everybody says my trading platform looks really good. That's the question I probably get asked the most, is what platform are you trading on? Obviously, when you initially download Quant Tower, it doesn't look like mine does. Mine's customized to how I like it. I've gone through and set everything up aesthetically how I like it. So mine looks a little bit different than yours will initially. But you know, Quant Tower is fully customizable. I don't know that I'll ever change my futures trading platform at all. Yeah, David. Yeah, exactly. Yep, you can any of the props that offer a rhythmic connection, you can trade on Quant Tower. From Elusive Flex 50K, Anthony, I'm a firm believer that if you get past the buffer, to go ahead, even if it's not a max payout, go ahead and pay yourself back for the cost that you spent to get in. Rockin', if you win, give it to somebody else. All right, we got you. Oh yeah, no, 100%, David. You're absolutely right on that. Like, you definitely need licenses, right? Like, Quant Tower's got a bunch of licenses that you have to pay for if you want the full version of Quant Tower, for sure. Like, even if you want the DOM surface, technically you need a license key for it. I think level 2 with Lucid is $13 a month or something like that. I can't remember. You do need level 2 data in order to see this fully as well. Otherwise, you're only going to, you can see the DOM surface, but you're only going to see one bid line and one ask line kind of deal. Phoenix, you've already won 2 of these things. I don't even want to hear it. You've already won 2 of these things. $40 a month, David? Yeah, I think what is the all-in on Quant Tower? I think it's like 70 for the full version, $70 a month or something like that. Yeah, 70. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. Or you can pay annually. I don't know what the annual cost is. Winners getting hate. Gotta spread the love, Phoenix. Gotta spread the wealth. Shake some luck your way. Mike Light, you lost 8 pounds in the week? That's a lot of weight to lose in a single week. My goodness. Initux, are the bubbles on the DOM... You mean the aggressive buyers and sellers like these? Is that what you're asking? Yeah. You're asking if they're active by default. Yes, you should be. I mean, you'll have to have the DOM surface license in order to see it. But yeah, if you have the DOM surface license, you'll be able to see these. You just won't be able to see the full depth of market, right? What's the marbles list? Oh, so we're doing a different style of giveaway tonight, Mike Light. We're giving away a 150K Take Profit Trader account. Exclamation port marbles will put you into the race that we're going to be doing. Nobody's seen it yet. Nobody's seen it. It's a brand new feature on the channel. I think you'll like it. I think you'll like it. Guys, if you haven't yet, smash that thumbs up button for me. It looks like we're going on 160 people in the stream currently. Welcome to the channel. I mean, I can't believe there's this many people entered into this drawing. You only have to enter once, guys, just to give you a heads up. You're only going to get a single marble. You're only going to get a single entry. So if you're spamming, don't spam. Anthony, no, it's randomly selected. Randomly selected. there's not that much customization on it. But you will see where you're at in the race and everything. You'll get to see everything. I think you'll like it. All right, gold is looking like it's getting ready to rip to the top side. A little scary to enter that close to the hour. Got about 11 minutes till 8 o'clock. Really, this is the only thing that's really kind of moving. It looks like silver's moving a little bit. But a little bit of movement in silver is a lot of money. So it looks like silver's moving. NQ's kind of still dancing around in the range. When it looks like it's going to rip, that's when it dips. Let's see. We're coming up on the daily 100. You got prior week low sitting there at 365. This will probably be my tell on the entry. If we continue to go down a little bit more, would be that prior week low sitting there at 365. Andrew, is it even worth it to trade with Take Profit Trader? Andrew, I mean, it's a daily payout. Daily payouts. If you can get your account past the buffer, yeah, it's well worth it. Well worth it. Pedro, I just looked at gold. It's ripping, but I don't trade gold. You guys can have all the metals fun you want to have. Yeah, that's true, Lobster Dad, and no consistency as well. So yeah, Andrew, take profit trader accounts are good if you like that daily payout account option, right? It does have intraday trailing in the simulated funded stage, but if you can get past that buffer, I think it's worth it. You know, just shoot for $400 a day, pay yourself out $400 a day, $500 a day. If you hit a couple $1,000 a day, pay yourself out a couple thousand. I think it's worth it for sure. The problem is getting past that intraday trailing and getting to the buffer, right? But if you get there, it's great. Those accounts are great. Andrew, if you use a code, there is no activation fee. If you use a code, there's no activation fee. I think right now, like their promo doesn't change a whole lot. I think it's 40% off using code WES, no activation fee. Kirk, the buffer, it depends on which account size you're going with. So like the buffer on a 25K account, I believe is it 1,500 on Take Profit Trader? 50K, I think, is 2,100. And correct me if I'm wrong, chat. I haven't looked at their account structures in a little bit. Welcome, add you? Oh, you have to add yourself, welcome. You should be. Did you already get added? Try typing it again. Unfortunately, I can't add you on my end. I have zero control over this. Zero control. Like I said, this is the first time that we're doing this tonight, guys, so just bear with us. It's probably going to be a little bit of trial and error. We're hoping everything goes smooth. All right, we've done a couple trial runs and everything went fine, but obviously it wasn't to the extent that we're doing it tonight. Oh, cheers into the futures. Yeah, of course. I'm extremely happy that we have the opportunity to do this for you guys. Any free accounts that we receive, we give away. We've given away every single free account that we receive from the props. So they go to you guys. I don't keep any of them. Mason doesn't keep any of them. Every free account that we get gets given back to the community. So I thank you for your support. I thank you for being here each and every night. And extremely happy that we can do this for you. The bot is not adding you, welcome. I'm not sure. I'm not sure why it's not adding you. Unfortunately, I can't add you. Like, there's no way for me to add you. All right, gold is ripping. It looks like it's probably heading up towards this volume up here. Yeah, Mountie. I mean, he probably is added. You're probably right. He probably has been added. And it was just flying by so fast that it didn't recognize. But I can't see on my end who has been added and who hasn't. So there's no way for me to help. All right, we got about 170 people in here. Gold is just ripping all of a sudden. What's NQ doing? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Oh, Bobby, I don't trade gold. No strategy on gold. Zero. I think I may have placed 4 trades on gold in my entire life. Mike Light, I did pretty well today. I was done trading in the first 15 to 20 minutes. I'm almost thinking 5,080 would look like a good target on gold. Along off of 49.72 was the play tonight. Oh, was that even before oh no. That was right when I was going live. Yeah, no shot. No shot. Phoenix 6.8K subs hit. Let's see. Oh, we did. We just rolled over 6.8K, guys. Another milestone hit. We're on our way to 7K. So if you're lurking in the background and want to support the channel, hit that subscribe button if you could. On the road to 7K. Those of you that are viewing on the shorts feed, by the way, the bot is not recognizing the entries for the giveaway. So click on that other live stream on my channel, the one that doesn't have the word mobile in the title, and retype in that command, and that'll enter you into the drawing. I'm not quite sure why it's not recognizing the vertical format, but it's not. It's kind of weird. Gold's going up. Silver's kind of... I mean, silver's going up, but it's pulling back right now quite a bit. Pulling back harder than gold. Yeah, fully. There's no no RTH streams anymore. That was a... the RT... Just people didn't show up. So... And when that happens, that kind of hurts the channel a little bit. It did set us back for a little while. So yeah, we're going Sunday through Wednesday currently. Starting at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard. We normally go till about 9 Eastern Standard. Oh my goodness. Gold will rip your face off without any warning. Gold will absolutely rip your face off. Oh, that's the new hour. Okay, I got it. Gold will rip your face off. And then a full retrace. Oh my goodness. Silver's doing the same thing. Silver's ripping to the top side now too. Oh, nice, JB. Yeah, I got Mason keeping an eye on everything, and he was telling me that it wasn't recognizing the shorts feed entries. That's why I'm relaying the message to you guys. There's a lot going on this end. There's a lot going on this end, guys. On this side of the camera, there's a lot going on right now. Yeah, oh, I mean, what are we doing here? What are we doing here? Okay, so where would be the next kind of spot that I would look for? I guess right here? That's quite a ways up. Maybe this peak? Price is right here. I mean, this would be 5,080, so that's that volume. So I would probably target 5,080 at this point. That would be my target if you're in a long position from below on gold. Oh, don't tell me it's just going to putter out. What's up, Plong? How are you? How many people we got in here? We got almost 180 people in the stream right now. Guys, if you are just joining the stream, we are giving away 150K. Take Profit Trader account, ! Marbles will enter you into the race that we will be doing towards the end of the stream. I'm not going to say what time we're doing it. But you will have to be here in order to claim your prize. If you're not here, we will give it to somebody else. Digital 1K trading micro Nasdaq, huh? Oh, you did get the bounce off the support. You definitely got the bounce off the support there. The Nas is looking like we're heading back towards 500. Yeah, new game. You sucked with the numbers game. Yeah, the numbers game, it just, for some reason, Nightbot does not do a good job at implementing its own rules. So, like, people were getting through the, like, the rules that we were commanding it to do. There just was too many people. Like, we would put a time limit on how many guesses you could do, right? And then certain people it would apply it to, and others would be able to guess every 3 seconds. So it really wasn't fair. We got away from ! West because of the botting that was happening on the channel. We've tried a couple other things, but nothing seemed to really work. But we wanted something that was interactive and engaging as well. So we're trying to find something different than you see everywhere else. And we think we found something. We think we found something. Traders Nest, how can you contact me? You can either email me. There's an email on my YouTube channel. It should be in the description. or you can DM me on Discord. Yeah, into the futures, exactly. Exactly. Obviously, I want people that are here every night to win it, right? The people that are tuned in each and every night. That's who I would prefer. Not just somebody who pops in just for the giveaway. And then leaves, never comes back, unsubscribes after they have the win in the account, you know? I mean, I understand people will show up just for the giveaway, and I get that. And obviously, I'm going to honor it and give them the account. But yeah, obviously, I'd like the loyal supporters, the people that are here every night. I would like for them to be the winners. But I have no control because it has to be random still, nonetheless. I can't just hand. Well, I mean, I could hand select, but I don't want to do that. It's funny to see how many more viewers I get when I say giveaway. Mason, believe it or not, we're pretty much right on par with where we normally are at viewer-wise. We're a little over 200 right now. We normally are somewhere between 250 and 300 at our peaks. We've had a few streams where we've had around 400. But the numbers are right where they typically are. At least from what I'm seeing. Okay, so the Nasdaq had one nice big green candle that traveled the range, and now it's coming back down to the midpoint of the range. Which way does it go? Actually, Scalpulary, you say a subscribers only giveaway, right? That in order to type in my chat, you have to be a subscriber. Like, there's a time limit. You have to be a subscriber for more than 5 minutes in order to even enter these giveaways, in order to type in the chat. I think it's 5 minutes. But no, you have to be subscribed for a certain period of time before you can even type in the chat. So, we do have that implemented at least. Now, don't get me wrong. People unsubscribe immediately after the giveaway, right? That happens. Make it more than a week. Oh, did gold start flying again? Yeah, gold started flying. Yeah, I mean, this high volume area at 5,080 seems like a logical target. Yeah, trading for keeps. I get it. You know, I'm not... It is what it is. You know, people like free stuff. And whether they like me or not is an entirely different story. There's going to be people that don't like me. You know, I get that. Yeah, gold is just straight ripping. Right to that volume. Silver's not really following, though. Are you guys noticing that, too? I mean, silver's just kind of staying where it is, and gold's ripping. Mr. Games Paradise, the white line. Are you talking about the volume profile here? Is that what you're asking about? Are you on Quant Tower? All you got to do is click right profile. And mine's marked for the current day. On the right-hand side. And then you can select whatever color you want it to be. Yeah, no, subscribing is free. It's completely free. And it does go a long ways. It does help the channel. Dom, if I explained my entry process in a couple sentences, how would I explain it? On key levels, I'm looking for break and retests, bear flags or bull flags at key levels. That's that's my process. It's as simple as that. Like, even if I was watching NQ when we were down here, I wouldn't have taken this entry. I like price to at least explore inside these zones before I make a decision. In other words, I'm looking for wick and reclaims, kind of what you see right here, to at least test. Or I'm looking for break and retests. You know, where you break, you come back, you retest, and you hold below. Yeah. My strategy is pretty simple. It's very, very simple. I think a lot of us try to complicate trading far too much. So many people are trying to learn the ICT lingo and all that stuff, right? The market moves because of volume and price. I don't think it, you know. Hey, what's up, the Almighty? How are you? What's up, Pine? How you doing? Go Pats. Pine. I mean, congratulations, but I'm not going to lie to you, Pine. I'm rooting for Seattle on this one. I'm rooting for Seattle on this one. I'm sorry. I'm rooting for Seattle. I'd like to see somebody new. I don't want to go through this whole Kansas City dynasty immediately after a New England dynasty and then just go right back into another New England dynasty. That's not what I want to see at all. Don't get me wrong. I love your coach, though. Vrabel's a good coach. Go Seahawks. Yeah, the Seahawks defense is really good. Really, really good. I just like seeing people who don't win it all the time win it. You know? No, exit. I haven't taken a trade tonight. Not during the Asia session. We've kind of been, you know, range bound on NQ. Gold's kind of been ripping, but I don't trade a lot of gold, and really the entry was from a lot lower. So I'm going to stay away, especially coming into this high volume area here at 5,080. I'll kind of want to see this get traded a little bit to see if we're going to reject that area and fall back to 5K, or if we're going to rip through and hold above that volume shelf there. It is a revenge game from 11 years ago. Oh, that's right. Oh, yeah, when Russell Wilson threw that interception. Yeah, exit. I haven't taken a trade yet tonight. I'm in no rush, really, though. Like today I ended up, what was I up today? 4.6K on during RTH, and then last night during the Asia session, well, I don't know, what was I up, guys? I was up like 2.9K last night, I think. So in the last 24 hours, just shy of 7,000 or 7,000, somewhere around there. How come you always miss the streams where I actually take trades, Burp? I don't know. A lot of times what ends up happening when I go live, because of the time that I go live, I think, is this ends up happening, and there's just no interest for me. But the one thing about my trading style is I can't base my trading about when I'm going live either. You know, I can't care about that. I used to care about that, but because I'm not somebody who scalps and places a ton of trades, I cannot just take trades just because, right? Like, I still have to do me. I still have to trade the way that I trade, regardless of whether I'm live or not. And if an entry doesn't make sense, it's not going to make sense. I'm not just going to do it for clicks and views, if that makes sense, right? I still have to trade the way that I trade. Whether it's entertaining or not is irrelevant. So I'm going to continue to do me. You know, if I'm not comfortable not being in a position, I'm not going to get into a position. And if people don't like that, tough, you know, tough. Then you're not, no one's forcing you to be here, is the way that I look at it, right? Does Lucid trailing drawdown during sim funded phase? So they have end of day Almighty Will. It's not intraday at Lucid. I don't think they have intraday. Oh yeah, fully 100%. Generally when I'm live, the market goes sideways for a little while. Occasionally we'll have some good movement. But generally when I'm live, the market goes sideways for a little bit. Really what flies at night I've been noticing is the metals have been going lately. Even silver's kind of going up now too. But like I said, we're coming into that volume area. Limitless, need to check on your silver long. You should be doing okay. Silver looks like it's up. This is your downtime ETH stream. Nice, nice, Editex. Yeah, like honestly, guys, my style of trading, right? Prior to doing the Asia session streaming, I didn't trade Globex session. I did not trade Globex session. Because my style, what I like to do is I like to gather all that information from the Asia session, the London session, what's happened overnight, and then do my analysis for RTH. Right, so I always only traded RTH, and I would take the trading that happened overnight and the movement that happened overnight, and that's what I would use for my trading, right? So the Globex thing, I'm still not used to the way that it likes to move. Lately, you've had the metals flying around during the Asia session. The U.S. indexes are so hit or miss during the Asia session. Regular trading hours. So New York session, too old to trade. When we say RTH, that's what we're referring to. So 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard is considered RTH. Sorry, guys. We're sorting something out right now. Yeah, the gold's probably gonna. you traded right up into that 5,080 that I was talking about, that volume shelf. So you're probably going to have a little bit of indecision here. What I would be looking for at this point is probably a retest of the top side of this volume and see if we hold. If we fall below that, you're probably looking at a short on gold back below 5K. All right, we got about 220 people in here right now. Guys, if you haven't yet, we are giving away a 150K Take Profit Trader account this evening. Exclamation point marbles will enter you into that race that we're going to do. Sorry, sorting something out. If you're on the shorts feed, you'll need to click over on the horizontal stream to enter. The shorts feed is not getting entered, it looks like. Oh, yes, it is. Okay, it picked you up. All right. Guys, it appears people are coming. So I would say 1/3 of the entries that we have are coming and going. So we're going to have to do this at a random time and probably relatively quickly. So stick around here for a few minutes. If you haven't got your entries in yet, we're going to run the giveaway and probably here pretty soon. I'm not going to announce exactly what time, but we're going to do it here pretty soon because things are starting to look like a little out of hand as far as the numbers are concerned. So unfortunately, we're going to have to do it fairly soon. So get your entries in real quick. I'll be back here in a couple minutes, all right? Yeah, Dream Home. Nobody's forcing you to be here. Nobody's forcing you to be here, brother. You don't need to be. You don't have to be here. Sorry if it annoys you. All right, guys, give me a couple minutes here. Got to get things set up real quick.
Yep. Alright, cool. Shall I close it now? I don't think I'm muted on stream either. Hi everyone. No, I can definitely hear myself. Yeah. Well, we're sorting the giveaway out, everyone. Okay, entries are closed. Yep.
Here. Hey everybody, sorry I was muted. Mason was not muted. It's Mason that you're talking about, that you're seeing on the screen there. We're sharing his screen. Mason, would you like to do the honors here, brother?
Yes, of course. We've got 317 entries in there. It seems we've had a little bit of botting. Oh, maybe not actually. We've got 260 people in here, plus the short stream, so we're probably looking okay for tonight. Let's get this sorted out here.
First time, guys, bear with us. So bear with us. So each of you are going to have a marble. You'll see your name over the marble. The winner will be shown on screen. Going to go through a little map here. There will be marbles that fall off the map. There will be chaos that ensues. If you press 1, your marble will go faster. If you press 2, your marble will move to the right. If you press 3, your marble will move to the left. Not really, but spam the chat anyway.
I'm not sure what level we want to go for here.
I'm going to leave that up to you, Mason. I'm going to leave that entirely up to you.
Yeah. I like it. Okay. We're ready. We are ready. That is a lot.
That is people. A lot of entries.
Oh my god.
That is a lot of entries. All right, guys. Good luck. Once again, the winner will win a 150K Take Profit Trader account this evening. So good luck.
Okay. And here we go. We're away.
All right, we are off. Look at all those marbles.
Oh my god. This is a colorful map as well.
It's kind of glitching because the Discord is not the greatest.
It's struggling. It's struggling.
Oh my goodness, that is way too much color, Mason. Different map next time, brother. Different map. It's giving me
I think I'm just gonna go for a different map right now. That is horrendous.
Yeah, that was
Sorry about
brutal.
that, guys.
I'm sorry, guys.
Oh
I
my God.
apologize. Mason, do something different.
Yeah. Jesus.
Oh my goodness.
Coils of power. Let's have a look at this one. Okay, take two. Take two.
Oh my goodness. What are we doing? All right. Go
So
ahead.
all around the edges. That's what's happening there.
All right.
So 317 people, but there can only be one winner.
How many people we got here? We got 254 in the stream right now, so. Oh my. I don't even know what's happening right now.
All right, let's zoom in on first place here. Let's see who's winning.
All right,
first.
Tony Lane's in the lead. Tony Lane's off to a hot start. Hot start with the pack trailing behind. Got out to the early lead.
Oh, he's taking the long way around though. By the looks of it, he's no
He
longer
is.
in
He's
first
on.
place.
Yeah, there's another trail.
Oh wait, he's first again. No, he's not.
Oh my goodness! People are falling off, Mason. people are falling off. People are getting knocked off the course. There went Swardino.
Oh my God.
Oh my good. Oh, he just
Ivan
jumped
Trader,
off
he's
the
gone.
course. Okay, Ian in the lead. M Stone in second. David Bonham close third. Oh, he got hung
he's
up there a little bit.
Oh.
Oh, it looks like.
That's the
do we
winner.
have a
That's the
winner?
winner.
Do we have a
Yep.
winner?
Ian 99.
Ian 99, you are the winner. Ian 99. All right, Ian, it looks like you are the winner. M-Stone is second. Trade Too Easy, LLC is third. Ian, if you could type something in the chat to claim your prize real quick. We're going to give you 60 seconds to claim your prize. If not, we're going to go to second place. Yeah, we need to do some serious work on the on the maps at least. That was chaos.
Yeah, I would tend to agree.
All right, I'm not seeing Ian 99 in the chat anywhere.
Not either. Has that been long enough? Do we move to second place here?
All right. I guess Ian is out of luck. We've given enough time for him to respond. M-Stone. M-Stone. Click that final results, Mason. Yeah. M-Stone, are you here to claim your prize? M-Stone, you are now the winner of the 150K Take Profit Trader account.
I hope you're keeping track of time here.
I am. I'm giving it a certain amount of time. Skip to 19th place. After 2 no-show redo, they want to see another one.
Go again.
I am here, but you killed me. All right, M-Stone. Trade Too Easy. Trade Too Easy. You are the winner. You'll need to type something in the chat. Man, we might have to do another map, Mason.
Yeah, I mean, I would say if third place isn't here, that's it. We run again.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna run it back. Yeah, we're gonna run it back.
Yeah. Okay.
We are definitely running it back. He is typing in chat. Who is typing in chat? Next time, maybe only memberships participate. I'm not seeing. Is he on the shorts feed?
I'm not seeing him either.
I'm not seeing anybody. Any of the names that we announced typing in the chat. You can see third place responding, Ray of Sunshine? Where? All right, well, at least now...
Oh, yep, he's here. He's here. 1 minute.
He is there?
Yeah, I can see him.
You can see him?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, he's here.
Third place wants rerun. Dog of Wall Street. Gotta go to all messages instead of... okay, so you have him, Mason?
Yep, I've got him here. No, it's all good. So I would say we can obviously do another one for viewer entertainment and just to see who would have won. But I mean, if you agree with us, I think we should honor that. Trade too easy.
Oh yeah, trade too easy for sure. If you've located his chat and he's here, yeah, by all means, we're gonna honor it. He's gonna get he's gonna get the account. So if you're in communication with him right now, I still don't see him anywhere on my end.
No, it's okay, we got him. So, trade too easy. If you want to press on that Discord link, join that, and then send either Wes or myself a message with the two at the top there. We'll get you sorted with that account.
Still people type marbles. I know.
Yeah.
I know. We can run another one if you guys want to run a different course. Just so we can see if we can change it for the next one somehow. Yeah, go ahead and pick a different course.
Rerun. Okay.
Unfortunately, Mason, I'm not going to be able to see messages on Discord right now, obviously. So.
Yeah, of course. All right, this one looks good. Yep.
All right, we thought this would be way better. I did see somebody said next time do a horse race. I don't know. I kind of like this better if it works out. The one that we tried earlier, granted, we only had 20 marbles in there, so it looked a lot better than what that was chaos. That was absolute chaos.
Right, are we ready to start this one?
Yeah, go ahead and start it.
Yep. I'm away.
Oh my goodness.
That's so many.
Yeah, there's just so many marbles.
I'm gonna break my PC. Right, who's in first? Dream Home.
All right, Dream Home's in first. How do you know who's who?
To get better. I can turn the names back on in there now.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
Goodness.
Right, Trevor's View, pulling away. I feel like we need to get better at commentating these things.
Yeah, 100%. I'm still trying to figure out what's going on though. Ooh, Salt Farm Kids.
Oh, there he is. Not first, unfortunately. Who is first?
I have no idea. Oh my goodness. That is just chaos. Whenever anything runs into an obstacle, it's just a mass crash. It's like a bad car wreck.
There's so many.
Look at all those names.
Right, here they come. They're merging now.
It's 6-7 in the chat.
Oh my god, it's chaos.
Yeah, it's absolute chaos. I honestly can't even tell what's going on. We might have to find a different route here.
yeah, we might do. I mean, we thought we'd give it a try.
This is chaos.
It's also seemed to have broken because I'll tell you, this person is not in first place.
So Supersonic, is that who won that one? Yeah, so Supersonic won that race. All right, we have to work on some things. we have to work on some things. I think with that many entries, though, the 300 marbles is a bit chaotic.
Yeah.
Either that or you need like a wider course, right?
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
It's chaos.
It is absolute chaos. Look at all the marbles flying everywhere. Oh my gosh.
Well, that was fun.
Yeah, that's chaos.
Okay, well, I think that wraps up that segment of the stream.
All right, it's gone. It's gone. All right, guys, that was enough of that. Well, congratulations to the winner. Let's see here. Direct messages. Is this the winner? J-Rock. Accept the... Oh, Is this the guy who won? I got somebody DMing me saying they won.
Be Trade Too Easy is the one.
Trade Too Easy? Alright.
So you just have to verify that he owns the YouTube account.
Alright. Well, welcome back, guys. Enough of that chaos. Like I said, it is going to be trial and error. We will try to figure something out, I assure you. I think having 300 entries like that is just pure chaos. And obviously right now we had like 260 people in during the race, and now we're already down to 180. So there were a lot of people that obviously weren't here, just here for the giveaway, which is fine. All right. Yeah, we got Trade Too Easy. Trade Too Easy. I will message you. I will message you when I end the stream here. I think we clearly got botted tonight, guys, by the way. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we got botted tonight. That's kind of why we had to rush that process a little bit. I'm probably going to end the stream there just to make sure that we limit the botting on my channel, because it does really hurt my channel, unfortunately. Sorry that was a little chaotic. Congratulations to the winner. Obviously, I'll message you right after the stream, after we get off here. Guys, enjoy the rest of your trading night. Sorry about the chaotic stream. I'll be back tomorrow night at 7 p.m. Eastern. We have officially no more accounts to give away currently, so there won't be a giveaway until we receive some more. Enjoy the rest of your evening. No trades for me tonight. If you're continuing to trade this, trade safe, stay patient, and I will see you all tomorrow evening. Peace.